Weekend update, June 27th on Bitcoin, weekend outlook. So we are still in this zone of interest on the weekly. We had this huge run up and a huge run down. We are certainly bearish by all means right now on the weekly, but we are entering this zone of interest. I find interesting. Major support here, major support here. There are more areas in which we could fall and still be on the chart, but this has been a significant place of support in the past. So on the daily, I just want to point out that this last low, we did technically close below this low, but it's very slight, and we've had some pretty big buying wicks below that. So just interesting, right? On the 240, I could possibly see a double bottom here. Now we technically closed this tiny little candle right here below this low or this range of the double bottom, but it immediately came up, immediately tried, pushed back up, had 3 wicks below this line, couldn't get there, so close enough for rock and roll. If true, if this is a double bottom, then the major neckline's way up here at around 667,500-ish. In this range. So a lot of room to run up if that's true. On the 60-minute, you could argue that maybe the pulse have moved down and we are in a flag that could break bearish. That certainly is something that could happen. Potentially, if we give up these lows here, it's just going to keep going down. On the 15-minute, I could dive in and get all into it, but we have this high that never broke this low. This high, this most recent high never broke the previous high, so we are just ranging. I identified a little flag here, but I'm actually going to take that off because the truth is we're just kind of in a no man's land right now, and we're not trending. And so what I just did instead is just drew kind of where the necklines are, where the highs are, and the lows are. And should we break one of those either way, I'm a go. So you could draw the channel, the flag channel here. But because of these wicks, I think I'd wait for a break below this one anyway to even start thinking about it, and then obviously a break below this major one with some pullback would be a reason to go short. But as of right now, I'm not even biased. I'm interested to see if this is a double bottom or if we continue our tremendous march downward on this major bear market in Bitcoin.